Let's take a look at your video lectures and other course components. Click the Syllabus drop-down and select Full Course. Here you'll find engaging videos and assessments for each section and topic of your CMA exam. Click the play icon to launch the video interface. This screen displays the video player on the left and your comprehensive study guide on the right. On the left, you can also quickly navigate between lessons, take custom notes, view associated slides with key points, and create flashcards. When you're ready, return to the Full Course tab and launch your assessment. If you prefer reading the full study guide together without video or lesson assessments, open the eTextbook tab in your left-hand menu.